All right, welcome back, guys. So we covered the basics of affiliate marketing, what it is and how it works. We just spoke about how to pick a niche. And in this session, we're going to talk about picking a product. Okay. So picking a product is actually one of the most important component into starting your affiliate marketing business journey because this is where most people get stuck, either months like me or years for some people, just because they picked the wrong product to even start and begin with. Okay. So I really want to help you guys avoid it. So I'm going to share with you guys exactly how to identify a good product to promote, especially when you're new. Okay. So the first thing that you want to do is you always want to make sure that it's a high quality program. Okay. So how do you tell if it's a high quality program or not? You'll need to kind of go through it. You need to see what exactly do they offer. You need to look at a lot of different things. Okay. For me, what I like to look at is because I'm promoting an A to Z course on how to build a business online. High quality to me depends on the type of modules that they have available. Okay, when I see the program that I'm promoting, they literally cover every single little thing that would help anyone build their online business. And in fact, there's so much information in here that even if you spend the next 1 2 years following the same program, it's still going to work very well. Okay, so this to me is a very high quality program, and that's the reason why I chose it. Sorry, just a second. Okay, and number two, you want to follow the market, right? You want to know and make sure that the product that you're about to promote is actually you're seeing it like everywhere: Facebook Reels, TikTok, on YouTube. People are talking about it because if they are talking about it and they are promoting it, and if you see a lot of people doing it, then it is already automatically proven by the market. Okay, so you don't want to be that guy who happens to promote a program that not many people have ever heard about, because it makes it 10 times harder to promote something that people would have probably never seen or come across before. Okay, so keep that in mind, super important. And the third criteria to kind of identify whether it's a product for you to promote is to really know if this product actually has student successes. What are the success that people are currently making with the program that you want to promote? And to me, what I like to personally look at is I like to not see successes from one kind of people who are, full-time online people and they are the only ones making money. But like this, me, I'm a corporate guy. I have my day job. I still make my success. 19-year-old kid, great. This lady is a single mother. This lady is a grandmother. So basically, this will tell you that, hey, this is something that's working for a lot of different kind of people, right? So you want to look out for that student success. The next thing you want to look out is super important as well. And I think I've covered the importance of picking a high ticket product. You want to make sure that there is some kind of value ladder and high ticket component. Okay, so black value ladder fundamentally is basically bringing people in through the low end offer. Let's just say it starts at $7. Then the next thing that they can buy is a $54, and the next thing is $200, $400, and eventually reaching that $1,005 high ticket. So you want a program like this because you're going to be doing content, or you're going to be doing work to drive people in. So this helps you to maximize and earn the most possible income from sending one customer in. Okay, so another way to look at it is, for me, I like to just make sure that there is some kind of $1,000 commission attached to it. That's a very good sign for a high ticket component. Okay, and the last thing is you want to see the material, right? Before you lock it down, this is just an example of my own funnel, but you want to see the company's, is the funnel proven? Does it look great? Is it high quality? Is it something that you would personally also want to buy, right? And you also want to make sure that they also have some kind of email set up on the company's end, so that you don't necessarily need to do it on your own, right? So these are the five main things that is very, very important for you to consider and take note of when picking a product. Okay, and which leads into secret number three. Okay, so before I speak about secret number three, I just want to tell you guys that you need to stick to one product. Okay, let me just emphasize that one product is all you need right now. Okay, why one product? Because if you find a high ticket product and you focus on just promoting that product, it's going to be much easier for you guys to succeed. Okay, this is where people like me made this mistake, because there are tons of people out there saying, hey, in order to build multiple passive income, you need to promote multiple products. Let me just tell you how wrong that absolutely is. Because as a beginner, you are still learning to promote one product, but when you try to do multiple products at the very start, this is where it gets overwhelming. We're not making enough and we eventually want to quit. Okay, so going back to secret number 3, stick to one product. Trust me on this. Okay, it's more than enough to make you your first 10K online, or it's the best way for you to get started, to at least start making money with affiliate marketing. And something that I learned along the way was that you ideally want to promote something that you truly believe in. Okay, um, when I first started with low ticket, I didn't really believe in the product that I took. I just tried to promote it because I just wanted to make money, and that was like one of the biggest mistakes that I made. Okay, so you want to promote something that you truly believe in and you can stand behind 100%. Right, so that's the only reason why I'm able to show my face promoting this exact same product, because I 100% believe in it. Okay, and the last part is optional, right? But ideally something that you have personally taken, right? Remember, in the basics of affiliate marketing, I mentioned that it's not about selling to people, it's about recommending to people, as long as it makes sense, right? So imagine this: it's much harder for you to convince someone to buy your offer if you have personally not taken it. Why? Because you won't know too much about it. You won't be able to explain and go in depth with it. Okay, so for me, ideally, it's something that you have personally taken. This way, when you actually speak to people, they will know that you have taken it. You will know exactly what it includes and why it's going to kind of help them out. Okay, so these are the criteria that I look for specifically when picking a product. So now we've covered the basics, the important stuff, affiliate marketing, um, uh, uh, picking a niche, and now picking a product. So in the next, in secret number 4, we're going to talk about the overall strategy and start putting all of this together.